Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to install fresh animations for Minecraft 1.21.4 on your Mac. Before we get started, it's important to note that you will need to have Java installed on your Mac. If you don't have it already, I'll leave a tutorial linked in the description below. First, you need to download the Minecraft 1.21.4 files to your Mac. To do this, open your Minecraft launcher, and in the Profile drop-down menu, select the release version 1.21.4 and click Play. When Minecraft opens, this means the files have been downloaded correctly. So click Quit Game. Now we need to download Optifine so we can run fresh animations. To download Optifine, open your web browser and go to optifine.net. I'll leave this link in the description below. Click on the Downloads tab at the very top and select the Minecraft 1.21.4 version. If you don't see it, click Show All Versions, and find it in the list. Once you've found it, click the Download button. After about 5 seconds, a skip button will appear in the top right-hand corner. Click on that, and then click the Download button in the middle of the screen. Download the Optifine installer to your Mac. For this example, I'm downloading it to my desktop. Now we've downloaded Optifine, we just need to download fresh animations. Open your web browser and go to a modding platform of your choice. For this example, we're using modrienth.com. Once you're there, scroll down and click on Discover Mods, then click on the Resource Packs tab at the very top. Now search for Fresh Animations. However, it may appear as the first result, so you can click on that. When the Fresh Animations page opens, click on the Versions tab near the top and search for the Fresh Animations version for your Minecraft version. For this example, it's the 1.21.4 version, so we're going to click into that. Then, click on the green download button and download fresh animations to your Mac. Again, I'm going to choose my desktop. As a bonus tip, you can also download the Fresh Animations extensions, which will give you additional animations for objects and mobs. However, as I'm recording this video, this isn't available for the 1.21.4 version, so I will not be downloading it in this video. Now we've downloaded Optifine and fresh animations, we just need to install Optifine. Open it up. If you get an error message, it means you need to approve it in the system settings. To do this, click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner and then click on System Settings. When the System Settings open, scroll all the way down until you find Privacy and Security. Once you're in that, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find Optifine listed here, and click on Open Anyway. In the pop-up menu, select Open Anyway, and then you may need to use your Mac password or Touch ID. It will open after a few seconds and it will look like this. Once Optifine has opened, simply click on the Install button and after a few seconds, Optifine will be successfully installed. Click OK, and now you can go ahead and delete the Optifine installer from your Mac if you wish to do so. Now we've installed Optifine, we just need to install fresh animations. Open your Minecraft launcher, and in the Versions drop-down menu, select the Optifine version we just installed. If you don't see it, you may need to restart your Minecraft launcher.